So you can have a look at the living area, here's your huge kitchen area. So you can have a look at the kitchen area, and here's your huge bed space right in the center of the room. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we'll be doing the 3.5 BHK sample flight tour at Vantara Residencies, which is located in Chembinahalli of Sarjapur in South Bangalore, and the project is developed by Ambystone Properties. But before moving further, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office. So this is the marketing office of the project, and the land parcel is whole over here. You can have a look right over this side where the construction work is in progress. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now before moving further, let's discuss about the project. So the project is spread across 8.3 acres of land parcel consisting of 4 elegant towers, with each tower of 1 basement, ground plus 29 floor, offering you exclusive 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies. And now about the amenities. So the project provides you world-class amenities like here's the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities. Here's the pets park, walking track, swimming pool, multi-purpose court, and even they are coming up with the temple and much more amenities in the project. Now about the location part, on the project is located in Chembinahalli, South Bangalore off to Sarjapur main road. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will be taking you towards Sarjapur main road in few kilometers. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So Oak Ridge International School is just 4.1 kilometers away. Sarjapur main road is in 2 kilometers from the location of the project. So this is your 3.5 BHK model flat of 2094 square feet super built up area at Vantara Residency. Let's have a look at it. So it comes with a massive foyer area for your privacy at the entrance, and here's the digital door lock for your security as well. And once you enter, here's your living area. So you can have a look at the living area, the massive living area where you can add up your sofa set, your couches. Here's a TV unit space as well. And now, this side is your dining area. So spacious dining area where you can set your huge dining table. The decor space is right over here where you can add up your own decors. Dining area has connected to the sit-out area as well. So here's the connecting sit-out area with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this is 3-side covered. Once you step inside, exactly in front of your dining area, here's your huge kitchen area. So you can have a look at the kitchen area with a beautiful interior work for your reference. It comes with the enclosed dry balcony, that is the utility space, which is divided via tile rope to avoid the water spillage. Here basically they have provided with anti-skid flooring and a window as well for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now you can have a look at the cabinets, the platform which is in L shape. Now let's move further towards your bedroom spaces. So your master bedroom is right over here, another 2 bedroom on the other side of the house. So basically this is your bedroom number 1, and let's move inside your bedroom number 1. Once you move in, and the interior speaks out that this is your kids' bedroom. So you can have a look at the beautiful interior here as well. Here's the wardrobe space, the bed space. Here basically there's not just a window but a balcony, and they have added up the study table right over here and a connecting balcony with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and again this balcony is 3-side covered. This bedroom comes with its private washroom as well, which is right over here, with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Moving further towards your bedroom number 2, which is exactly in front of this bedroom, and The bedroom number 2 is right over here. So this is the cozy bedroom, and you can have a look at the space over here with the bed space and a window which is right over here for ventilation and lighting purpose. The wardrobe space is right opposite to your window as well, and you can add up your work table or as much more things right over here. Now let's move further. So once you step out of your bedroom, here's your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about this side. So exactly beside your master bedroom, here's your 0.5 room. So you can have a look at the 0.5 room, which is much more spacious. This room you can convert it into your study room, your work table or much more things. So it comes with a huge space where you will be provided with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose as well. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com, so what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. And this is the master bedroom, and they have provided a foyer area which is much more spacious one, with the wooden finishing anti-skid flooring in the master bedroom, which is the uniqueness of the master bedroom. And here's your huge bed space right in the center of the room. And about here, so here they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose right over here. The TV unit space which is over here, and then comes the wardrobe area, the wardrobe space. Beside it, you can add up your dressing area as well. And now about the attached washroom. So this is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. The bathing area is separated via tile rope. So now, as you all know, we are here at Amberstone Properties project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more project details, then you can click on the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.